The word of encouragement for today is, Lord, thank you that your love is so personal, that you created me and that there is only one of me, in Jesus' name. What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig review. Yes, so we got another Miss Queen. Yes, we do. More charming, it says on the back. And yes, I absolutely love this wig. So this is the wig cap that comes with it, but I already had mine, so I just left it on my head. And here is the unit, guys. It also comes with big care instructions, so you cannot miss that. And of course, you already know your girl got to get rid of that stuffing. Y'all don't need that. But I absolutely love this. It's got the two combs on the side that you can put in the back of your head. And of course, big head and small head friendly to tie around the back of your head. So yes, it also only has the 2x2 lace closure, which I absolutely love because less is better. I know they say more is better, but less is better. And the hair is super soft. Like, this color is so nice. It's like a honey blonde, and I absolutely love it. Like, I'm here for this. Definitely here for this. Now, you do have to fiddle with it and play with it a little bit to get it to your liking, which is what you see me doing here. I'm just, you know, pulling hairs and stuff like that and trying to find styles. So I just did the whole tuck behind the ear thing and, you know, the two front pieces out. But right here, I'm showing you how heavy this hair is. Like, it is super thick density, like amazing texture, and it's so soft. You just run your fingers through it. You're gonna see me run my fingers through this hair like I don't know how many times because it's so soft. But you see, you can put it up, and I'm just showing you the parting. I didn't glue it down or anything. You can also do the side. I like the hair to the side. I think that looks good. And yeah, see, you can pull it back and stuff like that. Like, if you want to do baby hairs, you can. I didn't want to. I like the unit just like that. Like, I didn't want to mess it up. And you can also just glue down that 2x2 piece if you choose to, but I didn't want to. I literally just wanted to plop it on and go. So I absolutely love it, guys. You see right here how soft and flowy the hair is. Like, once you run your fingers through it a couple of times, it gets bigger and bigger. And I think that's the part I love. So I turned around just to show you guys the back, that you can't see any tracks in the back if you just use one of those finger clips. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that as well. But this unit is definitely bomb.com. Like, I absolutely love it, and I am here for it, honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I will chime in when I need to. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this Amazon wig review, because this wig is definitely giving Queen Honeybee. Yes. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.